Hello and welcome to this presentation regarding Oxford House Green Achievements. My name is Jonathan and I'm the Compliance and Sustainability Manager for the Trust. Overall carbon emissions for the Trust are measured in two areas: travel and energy, energy being gas and electric. Over the previous 6 years, there has been a slight reduction in overall carbon emissions, and this has been mainly attributed to staff behaviour change, comms around turning off lights, turning down heating, introducing LED lighting, a low energy source in the recent past, but mainly attributed to two relatively new buildings, being the Highfield and the Whiteleaf, both having renewable energy sources within them. In terms of sustainable achievements, 4 areas of focus. Firstly, recycling. Second area is around travel, where the trusts have now got one electric vehicle, which is on the maintenance fleet. Third area is around water use and recycling. At the Whiteleaf Centre, there is a rainwater harvesting system, which effectively harvests water from the roof and recycles back into the building. And finally, renewable energy, where at both the Whiteleaf unit and the Highfield unit, we have renewable energy sources in terms of ground source heat pumps, which take heat from the ground and provide underfloor heating throughout the building. In addition, in terms of waste, all waste is sent not to landfill but to incineration, which is then transferred into electrical energy and put back into the electrical grid. Okay, as I talked about in the earlier slide, we've got one low emission vehicle, which is part of the maintenance fleet. We're also, as part of the travel plan initiative, we plan to trial 2 hybrid vehicles with a community health team in Oxford in September. Sustainable green buildings contribute to meeting long-term sustainability goals in a number of areas, to include improving people's health and well-being, the greater use of renewable energy, producing fewer emissions to combat climate change, and improving biodiversity and saving water and resources. The Trust have implemented a number of green initiatives within buildings, to include rainwater harvesting at the Whiteleaf Centre, low energy LED lighting in Witney Hospital, solar panels at the Highfield unit, and renewable energy sources at the Whiteleaf and the Highfield unit. The installation of low energy LED lighting provides one key component of green sustainable buildings. The main benefits include reduced energy costs by up to 10%, carbon savings of 45%, a longer life cycle than traditional tungsten lighting, improved patient experience from a better quality of lighting levels. The Trust has now started a long-term replacement programme to LED lighting. The impact of COVID-19 pandemic has contributed to a reduction in overall carbon emissions during the recent period in 2 areas. Firstly, around energy, where you can see on the chart on the left where the overall energy consumption reduced from the period of lockdown, and this is mainly contribute to the fact that buildings were partially vacant, less use of lighting and heating during that period. other area was travel, where we've seen a 70% reduction in overall business mileage compared to the same period of last year. And this is borne out with the chart on the right, with the increased use of the Microsoft Teams application, enabling staff to meet on a regular basis virtually. From the April period onwards, you can see a dramatic increase in the use of Teams during the home working and the lockdown period. Thanks very much for your time and enjoy the rest of your day.